So friends, if you don't want anyone else to access your Apple ID, or else if you don't want anyone else to change settings related to your Apple ID in your Mac, then you can simply set a lock to your Apple ID. Now, how can you do that? I'm going to guide you step by step, but before getting into the video, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So the first thing you have to do is open system setting in your Mac, and you can do that by simply going to dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Now currently you can see I can access my Apple ID. I can go in personal information. I can change name from here. If I go back, I can go in sign in and security. I can access other settings over here. If I go back and if I go down, I do get sign out option over here. So I can also sign out this Apple account or Apple ID from this Mac. So currently this Apple ID or Apple account is accessible, but in order to make it inaccessible, all you have to do is once you open system settings, on the left hand side, go down and look for screen time. Now once you select screen time, under restrictions, select content and privacy. Now once you select that option, on the next page, make sure you turn on this toggle. Again, you will be able to check out all these options once you turn on this toggle. Go to preference restrictions, and in that, once you get a pop-up screen like this, make sure to turn off the toggle for allow account changes. Now once you turn it off, make sure to select done option, and this time after few seconds, if I try to go to Apple account, I can still go to Apple account, but you can see I cannot access any other settings over here. I cannot go to personal information. I cannot go to sign in and security. If I go down, I won't be able to sign out this Apple ID from this Mac. So yeah, basically now my Apple ID is inaccessible. So these are the simple steps you need to follow in order to lock your Apple ID in your Mac. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.